Let me tell you, nowadays leaders are made. When I say leaders are made, what it is, anybody can be a leader if he has something called self-confidence. It doesn't even matter that whether your physical features are good or physical appearance are good, still you people can be a good leader. He is a person who need to have a very well-defined plan and he need to stick to it. He should not change here and then. So that is what the decisiveness quality of a leader should be there. Hello everybody, a warm welcome to one and all. I'm Abhilash Chandra from the Department of Commerce and Management in Vidyashram PU College, the Temple of Excellence. Welcome to all the students for the fourth session of directing. Now here in this directing, you already have understood what is Maslow theory, what are the features of motivation, but now we are in the next session where I'm going to teach you more about the leadership. So what exactly this leadership is? So why is that this person is a person who is leading? What makes him a leader? What exactly is the concept of leadership is? Now when we go with the word leadership, what exactly it is? Now leadership is the process of influencing. Please understand, these are the keywords which you are supposed to know. Influencing the behavior of people by making them strive voluntarily towards achieving of organizational goal. That means there is a person who will definitely motivate people. Now see, even a person who is a leader need to motivate his own staff, his own members for what? For the achievement of organizational goals. So what exactly a leader is? A leader is a person who influences. What does he influence? He'll influence the behavior of people to actually accomplish or achieve the goals of the organization. See here, everyone will actually follow this leader because he is a person who will actually motivate them. He will change their behavior. Leadership is not just something which is continuous. It is also a process. Now, leadership indicates the ability of an individual to maintain good interpersonal relation. See, a person who is a leader should not be arrogant. Because if he is arrogant, what happens is people will never listen to him. So what is that he should have? He should always have interpersonal relations with the followers and motivate them to contribute for achieving organizational objective. So a person who leads should also have something called responsibility. Now what exactly happens here is, now what are the importance of leadership? Now when we go with the word leadership, you need to understand leadership. One thing is it influences. The second thing is it will always produce good results through their followers. So a good leader, what he does is he'll always produce a good result. So these are the importance. First thing is influence the behavior of the people so that they can achieve the organization goal. And if you feel that this person is a good leader, now what is the end result? The result is what? The followers will actually do it, and then that is how the productivity of the organization will increase. So this is what the importance is. Now when we go with the more of leadership here, you need to also understand that a leader maintains personal relation and helps the followers in fulfilling their needs. Now, who is a leader? The leader who doesn't know anything about their follower, is he a leader? Definitely no. A leader is a person who should always see to it that the followers' needs should be taken care. Next thing here is he provides needed confidence, support and encouragement, thereby creates the work environment. So that means what here? He is a person who will motivate. He is a person who will encourage. He is a person who will support whom? The followers. Because why? Those followers need to do the work properly. So he is a person who will direct them. That is, he'll guide them. So that is how the leader works. So here leader plays a key role. Now what exactly a leader plays a key role? In what way he actually goes with? That is, he goes with the introducing required changes in the organization. So he is a person who will bring change. Who will bring change. That is why, say, even in US, when for the president election, and there was already a president, and Obama was supposed to be the next president, and the change what he started to go with is very simple. US need a change. So that is what the leader is, a person who always brings something called a change. Now he pursues, clarifies, and inspires people to accept change wholeheartedly. It is not like he is a person who is a dictator. He should always be very interpersonal relations he need to maintain. So he is a person, whenever he speaks, people should actually accept it wholeheartedly. That is what the importance of leadership is. Qualities of a good leader. What are the qualities which a leader should actually have? So these are the qualities, and this is a POQ question, practical oriented question for you. Now what exactly the first one is? When we go with so here the first one, the leadership quality is, we have physical features he should have, knowledge he should actually have more, integrity, initiative. He is a person who need to take initiatives. So anything, whatever comes, he is a person who need to face it. Communication skills should be really good. Then coming here, he need to have something called the motivational skill. Not just communication, he should also make some followers of him to get motivated. So he is a person who should be a motivator as well as a motivator speaker. Now self-confidence. So here the word leader itself is what? A person who leads the followers. So if he doesn't have confidence, how will he lead people? So he should always have that self-confidence. Next is decisiveness and social skills. All these are the qualities of a successful or a good leader. So example here, physical features. When I talk more about it, it's more of the like of height, weight, health, appearance, determination, physical personalities of an individual, all these. But let me tell you, nowadays leaders are made. When I say leaders are made, what it is, anybody can be a leader if he has something called self-confidence. It doesn't even matter that whether your physical features are good or physical appearance are good, still you people can be a good leader. Knowledge. See here, when I tell more about knowledge, you need to also understand that that person should have a competency feeling. Now if he doesn't have that competency, if he doesn't know the knowledge about the work he is doing or carry forwarding, now how will he influence other people to actually work on behalf of him? Next one here we have is integrity and initiative. Now integrity in the sense, he should be very good with his entire team. And when I tell more about initiative, he is a person who needs to take initiative actions, and whenever there is any problem, he is the first person to be contacted, and he is a person who need to address the problem. Next one we have is communication skills and motivation skills. So when I tell about communication as well as motivation, please to understand, he is a person who is a communicator. That is the first one. So he should have the capacity to clearly explain his ideas and make the people to understand his ideas. So whoever is a communicator, they should always go with one thing, that is what exactly their idea is and how exactly they want other people to follow. Next is, a leader should be an effective motivator. That means what? He should understand the needs of people and motivate them through the satisfying their needs. So he is a person who should always carry that motivational speech as well as the motivational talk. So he is the one who will influence the other to work for the organization. So the next one here we have is decisiveness. Now what exactly decisiveness is? Now here when we go, the leader should be decisive in managing the work. Once he is convinced about a fact, he should be firm and should not change opinion frequently. Say example here when we go with this. Now if this person is a leader and there are n number of people who are the one who are following him, I'll just give an example here. So we have these people. Now the minute he takes a decision, he need to be very practical, and he is a person who should stick to a decision which he has taken, and he need to make the other people to follow that. That is what he cannot change after the decision is done. So he should be what? Decisiveness should be there. So that means what is, there should not be a change in opinion frequently. That means here the frequent change of decision should not be there. He is a person who need to have a very well defined plan and he need to stick to it. He should not change here and then. So that is what the decisiveness quality of a leader should be there. Next one we have, and the last one is called the social skills. Now, a leader should be sociable and friendly with his colleagues and followers. He should understand people and maintain good human relation with them. So that is how a leader is actually made. So these qualities, if few people have, then even you can be a person who is a leader. And let's go with the next topic. And the next topic here is leadership style. Now, when we go with that, we have three types, that is autocratic, democratic, and the laissez-faire leader. Now, what is this autocratic, democratic, and laissez-faire? When I say autocratic, he is the one person and he is a person who will tell everything. So autocratic leader. Now, whatever he says, that should be done. That is how the autocratic leader will go with. So autocratic leader, in the sense, I have given a picture here. The image is here. He is a person who is a boss, where all his employees need to listen to it, what exactly they are supposed to do. Here I have also given how these people are treated. So autocratic leader, there is a merit as well as there is a demerit. Now, what is a merit? The merit is he is a person who will command everything. And the demerit is, again, he is a person who will command everything. So that is what the merit and the demerit, both are the same. Now, please understand. Now, an autocratic leader gives order and expect his subordinate to obey those orders. Now, this leadership style is effective in getting productivity in many situations, like a factory where the supervisor is responsible for production on time and has to ensure labor productivity. So here what happens is, this boss will not listen to what the employees is supposed to tell. He will only hear what he says. They should only say yes. So that is what the autocratic leader is. Next one we have is democratic leader and laissez-faire. Now, when it comes to democratic here, he is a person who always wants his employees to give suggestions, and he is a person who will take suggestions as well, but the results and the decisions are in the hand of the leader. But at least here what happens is, the other people feel that there is a participation, that is a workers participation, management is there, but in autocratic it's totally absent. So in our democratic leader will develop action plan and make decision in consultation. This is a very big word, that is consultation with his subordinate. He will encourage them to participate in decision making. That is what a democratic leader does. And laissez-faire, here what happens is, such a leader does not believe in the use of power unless it is absolutely essential. The followers are given a high degree of independency to formulate their own objective and ways to achieve them. So that is what laissez-faire. Now here what happens is, that leader will not take more tension. He will actually give the authority and responsibility to many other people, where they feel that they are independent and they work only in the very high situation of risk. That is where the laissez-faire leader will come. There are n number of articles about laissez-faire leader where they feel that the leader is not a leader at all. That is one of the articles which says. So any doubt regarding this session, please do call us. We are always there to help you. Thank you so much. I'll see you when I see you.